व्यवस्था जो पंचायत लेवल तक पहुंचे, ऐसा कोई नियम होना चाहिए।
अच्छा, अब एक मिनट। हाँ, अनिल जी वांटेड टू से समथिंग फर्स्ट। जस्ट अ मिनट गौतम, प्लीज बी।
Sir, this is reference to the very pertinent point which Ms. Ravalingam has made regarding the problem faced by a person with visual impairment. And that problem was linked to the Section 54 amendment of CPC. I think the problem is not that simple. What she is trying to say, and very rightly so, that visually impaired persons, women, sometimes may have extreme difficulty in identifying by any mode whatever. And therefore, this protection to visually impaired person, women, needs to be provided in the RPD itself and not just linked to CPC. That's a very specific and pertinent point to with relation to women with visual impairment must be included.
Can you give us the formulation?
No, I have understood him. I have understood. Okay, next. Rajiv ji, you wanted to say something?
Pawan wanted to say, he has raised his...
मैं सर मोहम्मद उमर जी, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो भी राइट्स पर जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, वुमेन्स, चिल्ड्रन, और जो भी न्यू एक्ट में लागू कराने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ सुझाव के लिए आए हैं, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जितने भी डिसेबिलिटी के जो राइट्स बने हैं, क्या हमने इन पर गौर किया है कि हमारे दूर दूर में जो गांव में बैठे वो विकलांग हैं, उनको इसकी जानकारी कैसे पहुंचे, उधर तक वो जानकारी, वो जो कानून बन रहा है उसकी जानकारी उन तक है। मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि वहाँ के जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट के मजिस्ट्रेट होते हैं उन तक पर ये जानकारी नहीं होती है कि डिसेबल्ड की क्या क्या राइट्स।
एक्सक्यूज मी, इस पे हमारा
तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, मिनट मैडम, मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आप जो राइट्स बनवा रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट से, वो वहां तक कम से कम डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट तक पहुंचे कि हाँ ऐसे राइट्स हैं, तभी तो वो पुलिस स्टेशन तक और जो भी वहाँ है तो जो इंस्पेक्टर है।
मोहम्मद साहब जी, एक देखिए, एक बात सुनिए। एक हमारा सेक्शन है एनफोर्समेंट एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मैकेनिज्म पे डिबेट होनी है। जो बात आप उठा रहे हैं ना, बड़ी वाजिब है, लेकिन उस सेक्शन में हम डिबेट करेंगे कि इसमें क्या बिल में दिया है उसका तरीका, और अगर नहीं दिया है तो क्या होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तब आपके वैल्यूएबल इनपुट हमको चाहिए।
थैंक यू।
नेक्स्ट,
and that's last. Yeah.
May Rajiv also want to say something. Rajiv Laturi.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for
And then
giving
Mukesh Gupta.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. See, whatever you have, which we are talking about, particularly in context of violence, I think you have already made references to this FIR bill.
Say it a little louder, Pawan, can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I think this mic is not good. Okay. So whatever the provisions you have in the FIR bill, I don't think they will come automatically to address the issues of violence of women with disabilities. Okay. I think when you are looking at punitive action in this bill regarding the violence of women, the violence against women with disabilities, I think some of those provisions may be considered for adopting them into this bill. Can you please look into that aspect of it? I don't know legally. Can you?
We are looking at Section 6 while dealing with this issue. Okay. Section 6 of the present bill, it talks of violence, exploitation, abuse, and all so on and so forth. Right? So you are right. I agree with you that the special acts, which are general in nature, may not be sufficient for dealing with the problems or violence being faced by women with disability. Yes, Rajiv ji?
And same applies to children with disability.
Yes, I agree. Mukesh ji and then Rajiv ji. Mukesh ji? From Railways? Mukesh Gupta. Give him from Railways.
सर, एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेक्टर की जहां तक बात है, अभी तक किसी ने विषय पे बात नहीं करी।
अभी एम्प्लॉयमेंट आएगा,
मैं उसी उसमें वुमेन्स के ऊपर ही आ रहा हूँ मैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट। लेकिन वुमेन्स विद डिसेबिलिटी के साथ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो अपना वर्क प्लेस होता है, वहां पर जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं, जिसको कि हम लोग जहां अभी तक जो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं मेनली वो हम सोशल प्रॉब्लम जो हाउस से रिलेटेड है, घर से या उनकी पड़ोस से रिलेटेड है, ड्यूरी है, रेप है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स। लेकिन जो वर्क प्लेस पे
नहीं ये पॉइंट मुकेश जी उठा है, वर्क प्लेस वाला भी उठा है, ये मेड एन नोट।
No, I said very specifically education and employment. And employment will include all those areas. When we have a specific chapter.
We have all that. Please, let us not repeat the issues, please. Now I tell Rajiv ji. Rajiv ji? हो गया, चलिए। Gautam, last. Gautam was wanting to speak.
With in the view of the discussion held here in regard with the concerns of the women, I would like to propose one recommendation to be adopted for the adoption of the house to be placed in at an appropriate place. The government and local authorities shall ensure or cause to be ensured the protection of women with disability from all type of exploitation, harassment and violence in their inclusion while they are included in all programs of education, rehabilitation, training and employment.
Which clause
No, he is saying that you take this recommendation and fit in wherever you feel.
I have taken under it, this is a rehabilitation.
Okay, you please give it to us. We will see. Okay. Now I think
want to
that.
make one small comment on what Pawan said. Yes, Pawan, but to get it at par with the other strong law, the other laws where the recommendations have been already met, like the CRPC recently. But then we need to have some strong provisions in the RPD, this bill, and then we can only, create pressure on the others. Otherwise, we have experience with CEDAW and other things, domestic violence law, the CRPC, so we have to...
Madam, that is what he is saying.
Yeah.
He is in fact on the same, you are on the same page.
Yeah.
I will tell you now some of this session. So, this session, the recommendation, the consensus is that we should include the provisions in 2011 draft bill on specific provisions on women and children with disabilities. We should also look at important provisions of the bill, such as violence, such as the exploitation, such as education, such as employment. प्रॉपर्टी तो है ही नहीं इसके अंदर, इस पूरे बिल में नहीं है प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स। प्रोविजन है, निर्णय करने की पावर है, तो वहां स्पेसिफिक मेंशन ही कह रहे हैं ना। यू आर सेइंग दैट वीमेन मस्ट बी स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन्ड in the legal. In fact, there is no separate provision on property rights. It is included in the legal capacity sections. So we can. I think the consensus is that we must make a mention of women with disabilities also, so that they are included explicitly instead of by reference.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
So that is the kind of recommendation. And the third recommendation is, wherever appropriate, you try to include. The sister from Odisha made that point. You try to include at the appropriate place, maybe probably rehabilitation, maybe institution, whatever. That appropriate government shall ensure that a victim of violence or a woman with disability who is victim of violence, exploitation, harassment, sexual or otherwise, domestic or otherwise, will have to be properly, and her rights are protected, and she has been provided with the proper dignified rehabilitation alternatives.
Yeah, but not shall, it should be must.
Shall means must in law.
No, sir. We have seen that shall for last 15 years in the PWD Act. So no shall, no more shall.
No,
it
no,
must.
because there was share, you have seen the most positive judicial pronouncements
Okay.
around this act of 1995. In spite of all weaknesses, I can tell you, with my experience, that this is the only social legislation around which, in the span of 18 years, you have such voluminous positive judicial pronouncements.
Okay, let's hope for the best.
Yes. So, in fact, generally, I would go along with you. So I think that is what is the general consensus on women with disabilities.
Including scientific methods such as DNA, because I just now checked the section 54, that's amended version. It says that assistance of interpreter or special educator will be provided and such assistance will be videographed.
Ma'am, that's a test identification parade, ma'am. The DNA section is a separate section of
It's not that. It's only on identification.
That's
You
what
see,
TI paragraph.
Section 9.
Yeah.
You see, Section 9 of Evidence Act deals with the identification, test identification parade. So there were the problems on account of our disability, like blind and low vision that you raised. So therefore, we'll come back on this again and in the next session. Okay. So at present now it is over. I think this session is over, and we are making a slight deviation now. We will take the simplest section now, and that is insurance first.
So thank you, ma'am.
Okay.